Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're doing some jerk wings on the grill. It's gonna come out delicious. Okay guys, so we're gonna make some chicken wings. Right here I got some cornstarch. I have this store-bought Caribbean jerk seasoning. I'm just gonna throw that in there. What I'm gonna do is mix it up. That's it. Just mix it up like that. The cornstarch is going to give it a nice little crispy texture. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. So we're going to have a nice little crispy texture with the seasoning. Then we're going to go put some sauce on it when it's close to being done. Got some store-bought jerk sauce. This is good for an appetizer. That's exactly what I'm using it for. Instead of doing buffalo wings, we're gonna call these super jerk wings. We're getting jerk seasoning and we're getting the jerk sauce. So it should be good. And it's gonna be nice and crunchy. That's what we're looking for, nice and crunchy. So that's it, we're just gonna cover these up. Alright guys, so we got the kettle. Coal's all set and ready to go. Just gonna give this a quick brush. Looks pretty clean. Quick little brush here, nice and easy. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, I'm gonna use this non-stick spray here. I don't want the skin sticking to the grill. Alright, a little smoke off that, that's okay. Now we're gonna put our wings straight on. Now, I think I'm gonna name these wings the Crispy Super Jerk. I like Super Jerk. Crispy Super Jerk. We're gonna get the skin nice and crispy from that jerk seasoning that's on there. We're also gonna put a jerk sauce on there later. So I got a store-bought sauce. I have made jerk sauce in the past. It came out really, really good. It's a lot of work. It's definitely a lot of work to make jerk sauce. It's a lot of ingredients goes into jerk sauce also. A lot of ingredients. So I didn't have a lot of time today, so I figured I'd do it like this. Took the easy way out. But alright. So we're gonna give it 10 minutes and check them out. Probably gonna have to flip them. Might be flipping them more than once, probably 2-3 times. We'll see. We'll see how it cooks. But alright guys, I'm gonna cover it up and that's it. Flip these over. It's a good thing I sprayed that cooking spray. Because these things would be sticking. Tell right off the bat. It does look like we're going to get some crispy crust. Alright. So, what we're going to do is we're going to check back in about 5 minutes. And I'm going to go get the marinade ready right now. Alright, so about another 5 minutes passed. They're looking good. They're looking good. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to start saucing them. Once I sauce it, I'm probably going to check on it a little bit more frequent, maybe 2-3 minutes. That's it. Nice little sauce on here. I'm going to finish saucing them, flip them. I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, another 2 minutes went by, 3 minutes. Alright, look at these. They smell good and look good. Get some of this crust off of here. Alright. Alright, so we're just going to flip them. We'll flip them and sauce them. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I finally got them all flipped over. Let's sauce them up. You know what? We're just going to go with one coat. One coat of sauce. I think that's all we need. We got that. Put that jerk seasoning on there. Got this jerk sauce. Looks like a good sauce. I can see big, huge pepper flakes in here. Looks like some pepper seeds too. I love jerk sauce. Jerk sauce normally has a good kick. I gotta tell you one thing, not all jerk sauce is good though. Some of that store-bought stuff is kind of, well, let's just say not that good. Especially if you made your own, or do make your own, then you know, hey, what's good and bad. Because there's nothing like some real good, real deal homemade jerk. Alright, so I'm just going to give it another 3 to 5 minutes and we'll be back to take them off. I'm going to take the wings off. Look at them. They look delicious. They look good. So today, this is an appetizer. I have some company over, so this is an appetizer. But this is good for whatever. You can make this for a dinner, you can make this for lunch, snack, whatever you want to do. But, guys, I highly recommend trying it. This is, if you never had jerk before, jerk is really, really good. It's filled with all different spices, has a nice kick to it. And look at this. This is great. So guys, try this recipe out. Tell me what you think of it. Leave a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button. Hit that like button. And I'll see you next time.